Hi friends, you are the architect of change. You are the sculptors of tomorrow. You are the catalyst of change. If you're a parent, if you're a teacher, and if you're a leader, do listen to me. We don't want parents. We don't want teachers. We don't want leaders. What did I mean by that? When I say we don't want parents, today we want visionary parents. We want visionary teachers. We want visionary leaders who can transform the family, the society, and of course, the nation at large. That is why I truly believe, that we need to have visionaries around. This 21st century is all about visionaries. We are in a transformational age, and an age where technology is just taking over. So where does your position lie? You just can't be a mere parent, seeing your child being engulfed in this technology and dragged along. So you need to be that kind of a parent where you're going to show the vision to your child. Similarly, you cannot be a teacher who just finishes a syllabus and completes the year. No. What they need, what they are looking for is a visionary teacher. What do I mean by visionary teacher? You are the sculptors of the future. So here, it's all about your empathy towards your child. How can you be an empathetic teacher? How can you be an empathetic listener? It's only then you can produce the future teachers around, future leaders around. And that's what we are here for. So it is only we can do it. We parents can do it. We teachers can do it. So let us shift our paradigm to call ourselves as visionary parents, a visionary teacher to produce a visionary leaders. I think I might sound a little drastic, but then that is what the world needs today. When I'm talking about this, I just want to give you a kind of a anecdote. The father was there, and the child comes to the father and says, I need a bicycle to go to school. The father says, there's an old one there, repair the bicycle and take it. Before even he could take it for repairing shop, he says, let's dismantle the bicycle and we are going to make a new one out of the old one. Both the father and the child sit together and assemble the bicycle. While doing so, the child learns the mechanics. He learns about the bicycle, the parts of the bicycle and how it has to be assembled. Patience comes along with that. And there are so many problems that the child is solving along with him. So this happens, the bicycle ready. The child is so elated, happy. Goes back to the father and says, Daddy, the cycle is ready for me. He says, no, you want a new bicycle, isn't it? Yes. Sell this old one, get a new one. So why did he have to do that? He was so harsh enough to say this. But then he says, you can, you will, and you must. So the child starts repairing the bicycles of the neighbors and earns his pocket money out of that. And finally, he is able to buy a bicycle to go to school. You must be wondering, whom am I talking about? I'm just talking about Henry Ford with his son. Can you imagine? This is exactly what Henry Ford did to his child. So when I'm saying this, I'm saying with a pride because he is a visionary parent. He's a visionary teacher who taught his child how to really live. So similarly, it takes time for us to become these visionary parents. Two things that I really believe if you want to be a visionary parent is, number one, you've got to be transparent. I think I've talked about the dining table philosophy in my earlier videos, but you can always, there has to be a transparency with your child. Have at least one meal with your child on the table so that you can discuss so many things from Ukraine war to that of the meanest thing that's happening in the world, so that the child is aware of what is happening in the outside world. Then, also I've talked about the other thing is empathy, empathetic listening. We all have talked about it in so many videos. But again, I repeat the traffic signal philosophy. Just listen to your child, what he wants. Then repeat what he says. Reflect on what he says. And redirect him. Let him figure out the way. That's when you can produce a visionary leader to take over the future. Signing off, Usha.